My name is Volker Brandes. I'm a urologist from Hamburg, and I belong to the ecumenical network Christians in Healthcare. Today I have the pleasure of welcoming my patient, Mr. Boateng, from Ghana, as my guest. He's one of my favorite patients.
Thank you.
We have together the love of your home country, Ghana. Several times I was there with Doctors for Africa.
Okay.
I was impressed about you answered me when I greet you, and you came to me in my office, and I asked, how are you? And you always said, I'm fine by the grace of God, with your deep, nice voice. And I was very impressed about this nice greeting, and answered, I had the answer. What is the motivation of your face to say such a nice greeting? You are a Christian. All Ghana people are Christian. It's my impression. A few years ago, you had a heart operation. Open heart surgery.
Yes, yes.
And with your heart valve, there was a problem, and they have to correct it.
Yeah.
And there were some complications.
Yeah.
Would you tell us something about what you experienced in this time?
Okay. It was the year 2009.
Yeah.
I was working at the airport, and then when I closed from work, I wasn't feeling so good. So I went home, and I wanted to sleep, but then I wasn't feeling good. And normally I don't sleep in the afternoon. So my wife wondered why I wanted to sleep. So I told her I'm not feeling good. So she took me to my doctor. So immediately we arrived at the doctor. The doctor saw me and said, no, I am not looking so good. So he ordered an ambulance. And then in the ambulance, I didn't see anything again. I just went unconscious.
Yeah.
And I was told I was unconscious for 2 months. That's what I was told. I didn't know.
Yeah.
For 2 months. And that's how I came to the hospital.
And the doctor said it's necessary to get a open heart surgery.
Then I was told, because I was unconscious, I didn't know anything.
Yeah.
So I was operated. They said that my heart went off, stopped 2 times.
2 times.
And they had to give me electric shock.
Yeah. A cardiac arrest
A cardiac arrest.
Reanimation.
Yeah, reanimation.
Yeah.
2 times.
Yeah.
And then they made the operation.
Yeah.
And I think there were some complications I didn't know. So it was afterwards that I saw that I had been operated.
You saw the big scar
I saw
on your chest.
the scar on my chest.
Yeah. And during the reanimation, you had an exciting experience.
Yeah.
Can you tell us something?
So something strange happened. I saw myself standing, and my body was lying on the bed. But I was standing nearby.
Oh, yes.
Looking at my body.
Out of body.
Yeah, I was out of my body.
Yeah.
And I was standing, my normal body was lying on the bed.
Yeah.
But I was standing. I was looking at me looking at myself. So, and at my right hand, I saw coffins rolling. Yeah, going by me.
Yeah.
So one stopped and opened, and the voice told me to get into the coffin.
Oy.
And I said, no, I won't. He said, go in. I said, no, I won't go. He said so many times, and then the coffin went away.
Yeah, yeah.
Then suddenly I found myself at some place. Then there was an angel, a very cool place, nice place, with some flowers and everything. And then an angel, I saw an angel sitting behind a table, and he told me, "Welcome to paradise." Anyway, this my message is entitled "To Paradise and Back."
And you were in paradise.
And then I was in paradise.
It feels good.
Yeah, then it was very nice there, very,
Yeah,
very nice and very peaceful.
Peaceful.
And I said, I will never go back from here again. You know, I will forever stay here. Then I saw a mist. It's like a mist, a silhouette, which was in the mist, a bluish mist, like a diamond shining with light. But this light didn't pierce my eyes. I could entertain the light.
In the mist, there was a person.
In the mist,
You saw
I was a person.
surroundings of,
Yeah, like a shadow, like a silhouette, like a shadow in. And he said, "I am Jesus."
oh yes.
And I didn't know what to do. I was so happy. And when he said, "I am Jesus," it was like this love, which is you can handle.
Yeah. Like a flow of love
A flow of love, exactly, a flow of love coming to me, coming in me.
flooding into your
Yeah,
heart.
into my heart. He didn't open the mouth, but whatever he said, I just knew it.
It was a special kind of communication,
Without
moving
opening the
opening
mouth.
the mouth.
He knew what I was thinking. He was laughing when I thought that I won't go back again.
Ah, yeah.
Then he was laughing. He was, you could see.
Yeah.
He said, "No, you will go back." But I didn't know. But he went to the angel who was sitting on the table there, and there was a big book. And he told the angel to open the book. He opened the book, and Jesus himself was going by. He opened it, and then we seen reading. I didn't know what he was looking for. Then he closed it and said, "You go back." And many of my people are getting lost.
He told you.
Yeah, getting lost because of some small things which which they are taking it for granted.
Yeah.
It is a small sin. That's what they think.
They think it's a small sin.
They think it's a small sin, but it is leading them to hell.
Oh yes.
And he said, "One, you are going back. Take this message to them."
Oh yes. And he
And
gave you this message.
And then he gave me these 5
points.
5 points.
Yeah.
And he said, lies.
First, lies. Do not lie.
Yeah. And second is envy.
Yes.
That we should do away with envy. And then the third is anger. Anger. We should do away with anger. These are taking us to hell. And then he said bitterness. And he was very emphatic on bitterness. Yeah. That we shouldn't be bitter because it is leading us to what he doesn't want us to do. And he was very sad. He was, then, his demeanor changed a bit because I could sense it in me. Then the last one was unforgetfulness.
Ah, yeah. Unforgiven.
Unforgiveness.
Forgiveness.
Unforgiveness. We should forgive.
Yeah, we shall forgive.
We should forgive each other.
Each other.
So, and he said, "Go, you are going back and tell my people that this is sending them to hell." and they must follow what you are going to tell them.
Yeah. We have to stop all these things.
All these things, very important. And I must say, there in paradise, it was like a burden, so many burdens, and the shape was like a capital E.
Yeah. The shape of the
shape
town.
of yeah. And then everything was peaceful. So I asked the angel, where are the people? He said, they are all resting.
Resting.
Then it came to my mind that, that's why we say, when people die, they say, rest in peace. So the place I was very peaceful, and the people were resting. So they were resting in peace. So Jesus told the angel to take me back. Really, really, I didn't want to go back at all, because I haven't experienced such peace and love in my life. I haven't. I'm getting to 80 years, and haven't experienced this peace and this love. And you see, and then I remember the Bible said that the peace that the world cannot give us. You see, and I had this peace and this love that I am loved. I have met love itself.
Yeah.
So this is a very, very, very exciting experience to me. So he told the angel to take me back. When we were coming back on earth, we passed through so many things that I can write a book on it. But I can't say all of them. But we passed through very difficult things. You know, from there, you pass through many levels before you come back to earth. And these levels, some were occupied by demons. And we met so many demons. And then this angel will hide me in a rock.
He protected you.
Yeah, protected me until we passed through many stages, and then eventually my eyes opened. My eyes opened. I was on the hospital bed with many instruments around me. And the nurse who was sitting, he was a male nurse. Then he saw that I have opened my eyes, and I was laughing. Then he ran out and went to call a doctor that I am alive.
He is alive.
Yeah.
He is laughing.
He's laughing. And I was laughing. So, and then I was hungry, and I asked them for food.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Really alive again.
Yeah. I asked them for food. So I remember they gave me a potato soup.
Oh, yeah.
Kartoffel
you remember
soup.
Still.
Yeah. Yeah. And then after some days there, they took me to another room. I was alone there. And then the angel who brought me on earth, she appeared physically like a human being. He came to me. He's between 40 and 50 years old. And he came to me, and then he began to massage my two legs. I don't know, maybe I wasn't working. Now, afterwards, I knew why he was massaging, because they had to put me in a machine to stand, because I couldn't stand. And he told me that I will walk, I will not sit in a wheelchair.
It will be better
in
future.
Yeah, everything will be better.
He promised.
He promised. So 4 days he was coming to me. But always when he leaves, then my wife will come. And I will ask my wife, did you meet somebody there? I said, no, I didn't see anybody. But then, Jesus followed me. He let his angel come follow me too.
Yeah, wonderful.
So this is my experience.
Do you have still any doubts about the existence of God?
No. And this experience has strengthened my faith.
Yeah.
Then I know that I am not serving something which is not there.
Yeah.
Then now I know that Jesus, there is Jesus and there is God.
And you were very sure that Jesus is standing before you.
Yes. Everything shows his voice, even exude love.
Yeah.
Love.
Because love is coming.
Yeah,
So
love. I saw
mighty
that love and peace
Love and peace.
is coming from him.
And only God can give this,
And it's
this
only
kind
God.
of love.
It's only God.
Yeah. He
And-
is love.
Yeah, he is love.
He's the person of love.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And,
Wonderful.
and he is peace, the
He's-
Prince of Peace.
Yes. He's the
So this Prince of Peace
Yeah.
and God, God is love. They are coming to me,
Yeah.
coming from him to me.
And the message of Jesus, 5
Yeah.
points,
Yeah,
you spreaded it in the church.
yeah.
Can you summarize once again the 5 points?
Yeah.
First,
Is envy,
no envy. In
No
our
envy.
life, there has to be no envy.
no envy,
Second,
no lies,
no lies.
huh?
Third,
no anger,
no anger.
no bitterness,
Fourth,
and then we should forgive.
we shall live in a manner of
Forgiveness.
forgiveness. Yeah.
Yeah.
So very good. Thank you. That's a good message.
Yeah, and I hope every Christian will follow this. I pray
Yeah.
that our faith will be strengthened because Jesus is alive and there is God.
Thank you. Thank you for coming. Thank you
Thank
for
you very much. Thank you, Doctor,
for telling this exciting experience.
Thank you very much.
He is existing. And
Yeah, God is alive.
Yeah, wonderful.
It is not an illusion.
Yeah.
It is not something that man is just not imagination.
Yeah.
But he's real. He's a person.
So we shall open our heart
So
for
we
him.
should open our hearts and serve him. That we are serving a living God.
Oh, wonderful.
A God who is alive, a God who cares for us, and most of all, a God who loves us.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So God bless you.
Amen.
And thank you for
Amen.
coming.
Amen. I
Mr.
thank you,
Boateng.
Doctor, for your interview. I thank you.
Thank
I
you.
hope it will help all believers.
I'm sure. Wonderful.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Danke.